Welcome back. In this video tutorial, I'll be showing you how to easily manage contacts in the Cherry TEAM program, sort them by categories and labels, synchronize with Google Contacts accounts, enable Google Drive and add files to contacts, and how to use the messaging system after adding a Gmail account. After signing in to a business account, we go to Contacts. Here, we see the category bar where we can filter contacts and contact list. Before starting, I will enable Google Contacts synchronization. I press the Enable button and enter the account email. I press Continue and confirm until the account is activated. The Google Contacts account is successfully activated, and I press Synchronize. After a moment, I can see that more contacts have appeared in my contact list. Google Contacts without a mobile phone number and email will not sync. This means that only those contacts who have both a phone and email will sync. Now, I'll show how to create a contact in the system. I press the Add button, and in the opened window, I press Save. I immediately see mandatory fields without which the system will not allow you to save or click on the categories. In the contact form, you can add a profile picture, full name, email, which after filling in lets you add additional emails, phone number and additional numbers, contact URL, including multiple URLs, address, city, zip code, and country, and add a comment. After filling in everything, I press Save. In a new window, I open Google Contacts to make sure that synchronization is working. I see a contact saved in the system. Syncing works. Categories. I'll show you how to assign them to a contact. In the contact list, on the selected contact, I press the More button, then Update, and in the category bar, I press Client. We see that we can create a label. I will type in VIP, and I can also enter the company name and click Save. I open the next contact from the list and select the candidate category. The system does not allow that because the address field is empty. Contacts without an address can be synchronized from the Google Contacts account. I will also create a label Recommendation for the candidate and fill in the fields: date of birth, driving category, languages, specialty, workplace type, job type, and employee's education. Afterwards, I will save the form. I will update another contact from the list and assign it to the supplier category. I will create the label Quality, enter the name of the company, and click Save. Now, I'll show how to add a file to a contact. I open the last contact, and before showing how to add a file, I want to mention that when you click on the categories, they will not remain marked. For this, you need to fill in at least one of the information fields or mark a label. I click on Files. To add a file, we need to enable Google Drive. I press Enable, enter the email address of the account. I press Continue, confirm until the account is activated, and now I can add the file and click Save. I open Google Drive in a new window to make sure it's synced. After a moment, I see the attached file. Sync works. In the category bar, the contact list can be filtered by selecting Client, Candidate, Supplier, and Company. The list view can be changed to map view by pressing the map icon, and you can see the contacts that have an address. Messaging system. In order to demonstrate how the messaging system works, I created two Gmail accounts. I will use one of them to read and reply to the message and add the other to the business account in the Cherry TEAM system. On the right side of the screen, click the Add Email Server button. I choose Gmail, press Continue, and confirm until the account is activated. Now I can send messages. In the Messages tab, I press New next to the search bar. Enter the name in the search at the top of the screen, select a contact, enter Hello from Cherry TEAM in the text field, and press Send. In a new window, I open the Gmail account that I connected to the business account of the Cherry TEAM system to check whether the mail was actually sent. I go to Sent Messages and see that the message has been sent. Now in another window, I open the recipient's Gmail account and see the received mail. I press Read, Reply, and write the text Hello from Gmail account and press Send. I return to the Cherry TEAM window and press the Refresh Emails button in the Messages tab. After a moment, we see a message appear in the conversation. I can continue the conversation in the system. It is important to mention that after clicking Refresh Emails, the system will synchronize only those emails whose contacts you have saved in the contact list, which means that you will only see messages relevant to your business and not a single newsletter. You can manage your email accounts in the Cherry TEAM system by going to the Settings menu and clicking on Email Accounts. I see 3 Google accounts in the list. In each of them, I have enabled different integrations. In the first, Google Contacts. In the second, Google Drive. And in the third, Gmail account. Here you can always add more email accounts, enable and disable them. I hope this video tutorial will help you when using the Cherry Team program in the future. We look forward to your comments. Thank you for watching.